Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jotform to Square. This integration is incredibly useful if you want to collect payments directly through your online forms, whether you're selling products, accepting donations, or processing service fees. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as you'll need access to your Jotform account to set up this integration properly. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will take you to your Forms dashboard where you can view all the forms you've created. Now you need to choose the specific form where you want to add Square payment functionality. Locate the form you want to edit and click the Edit Form button next to it. If you don't have a form yet or prefer to start fresh, you can also create a new form at this stage. Either way, you'll be taken into the form builder where all the customization happens. Once you're inside the form builder, look for the Add Element button and click on it. This opens up a variety of options for enhancing your form. Navigate to the Payments tab where you'll find several payment processor options. From these options, click on Square. This is the gateway integration that will allow you to accept payments directly through your Square account. After selecting Square, a new panel will appear on the right side of your screen. In this panel, click on Payment Properties to access the configuration settings. You'll notice a yellow button within these settings. Go ahead and click on it. This button is essential as it initiates the connection process between Jotform and your Square account. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Mode. From this drop-down, select Live Mode if you're ready to accept real payments. Alternatively, if you're still testing and want to use a sandbox environment, select Test Mode instead. This flexibility ensures you can safely test your payment flow before going live. Now you'll need to type a connection name in the field provided. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify this connection later, especially if you manage multiple forms or accounts. After entering your connection name, click the button that says Connect with Square. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to authorize the connection. You'll need to log into your Square account within this pop-up and grant the necessary permissions for Jotform to communicate with Square. This authorization step is crucial for the integration to function properly and securely process payments. Once you've completed the authorization and granted permissions, the connection will be established. Your Jotform is now fully integrated with Square, meaning any payments submitted through this form will be processed directly through your Square account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.